Hello YouTube, this is SWLA Mech 84 again. I finally got my boring bar set up in here, as you can see from the still pictures that I included the last time. I've been having some problems with it though, that I'm going to ask for some of you if you can make some constructive comments, please. It looks like it's a good surface finish. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit more. This is on a very fine feed. Just about as fine as I can get it. And it still catches a fingernail in here. Now the outside surface here, I've turned, see if I can focus on it. I really want to show y'all this difference in surface finish. This has been turned with a high-speed steel bit, a really sharp high-speed steel bit, and it's fairly good. But this boring bar that I'm using, of course it's my 99-cent one off of eBay, but that's not the reason that it's not working here. The insert and everything's clamped in good, and on a piece of aluminum, you know, I can get a really good surface finish here. See if I can show you this. I can get a mirror finish on this aluminum, and I always test everything out on aluminum anyway. But as soon as I went over to this DOM tubing, and I know this DOM is sticky, nasty stuff anyway, but is it me or is it just this tubing that's just gonna have a bad finish on it? I think I might be able to use it, but I'm probably gonna order some stainless steel to make my tube out of. The bad thing is I'll have to order a 2.5-inch stainless solid and then drill it out to, oh, it's going to be terrible. So I may just try to salvage this and use it, but that's really not the surface finish I was looking for. And that's a very fine feed. Let me see if I can even figure it out. I'm on E6. So that's the same thing as 96 threads per inch. And that converts to, let's see, over here, I'm on E6. So that's 11 thousandths per revolution. Yeah. 11 thousandths. Oh, that's millimeters, I'm sorry. Here's the inches. I thought that sounded big. Yeah. E6 is 0.0004 per revolution, so it is a super fine feed, and it's still not catching it very good. And I've played with angles and adjustments on here, and that's about as long as I can run that boring bar. But I think I know the reason of that. When you look at it here, that's got an awful lot of mass hanging off that end. And it's probably too much counterweight and it's flexing too much. That's about as long as I can run it and get a decent finish without chatter on this piece of steel. I do have quite a bit sticking out of the chuck, but not so much that it's not rigid, because it is 2.5 inches in diameter, so I can have almost a little over 5 inches sticking out and it'd still be relatively rigid. On the aluminum I can run almost 6 inches out of here, and it was a shorter piece, but I don't know. Kind of aggravated here. So if anybody has any comments on that. And like I said, the boring bar, it works really good on aluminum, but just about everything works good on aluminum. I know that my holder is probably too much mass there and it's too far off center. It would probably be better suited for one of those boring bar holders that actually sits over the compound there, because it is, you can see it's offset quite a bit, so it wouldn't be hard for it to flex. And I think I can make do with that, and I may put up a video after I play a little bit more just to see. I have to order some more tubes since I cut it wrong anyway, but I'll probably go ahead and try to get this thing bored to a uniform bore and make sure that it is actually keeping good. You can see here I was just playing with it to see what happened, and I had some bad chatter problems, and oh, it was just miserable. But got pretty frustrated with it. So But if anybody has any comments, please let me know on that. Otherwise, I think I'm going to order some 303 stainless steel, some free machine and stainless, and do a lot of drilling. I'll have to get some big drill bits there and then bore a lot more out. But anyway, that's all I got for now. And just if anybody has any ideas, short of me building another boring bar, which I could, I have plenty of nice hard round 416 crucible stainless steel shafts, plenty long enough here to build another boring bar so that I can have insert a high-speed steel bit here. And that may be the way to go. I have some shorter high-speed steel bits that I can put in there, grind off, and I even have some yeah, I thought I had some little 1/4 and some 3/16 bits that I can make some good boring bits out of. And maybe that's what I need, just something that's super sharp in there that'll get a decent finish, because that high-speed steel did a pretty good job on this outside finish here. It's not bad. I'm gonna polish the outside anyway. I don't really care. I'll put it all in when I'm done and run sandpaper over it at 1200 RPM, and that'll shine that up. But I need a really accurate bore, and I need to at least have a clean spot on the OD to hold so that I can indicate my bores everywhere. But that's all I got for now. I'll play some more and I'll put some more videos up of boring this thing, if I can ever get my boring bar to work. Alright, well, thanks for watching.